All good? Okay. Anyways, I think I'm going to try to start doing maybe some vlogs more often. Something like that, maybe. I don't know. I got rained out from work today. I'm trying to make more of a presence on YouTube. Trying to do a few more videos. I've posted a couple videos recently, which is more than I've ever done in a row. So I'm kind of stoked about that. Kind of excited to see how that goes. The videos are okay. I don't get too crazy with the edits. Don't get too crazy putting too much music in it. But I just want to I want to do more. Well, do more adventures. I want to do more with it. So anyways, like I said, I got rained out today. And gave me a little time to think about a few things I want to do. So I got the Toyota 4Runner 97, just a TRD. I've got a 3-inch lift on it, 33-inch tires. It's doing me fine. It's for what I've done so far. It's more than perfect. It's been to Colorado now. It's been to Arkansas. Some trials around here in Missouri as well, and I've only gotten stuck once in it, but that was my own fault. Anyways, I don't have any, I don't have a winch. I have a little bit of recovery gear, but I want a budget. I'm not a rich man by any means, but oops, rolling the back window up, and I think I got the grill stuck against it. The back of this rig's packed still. Me and the little guy went camping over the weekend. But anyways, I want to do some DIY things. I've got a plan rolling around in my head for a DIY awning I want to make for the driver's side. I want to make, well, I think I'm going to go to the local hardware store and maybe try to piece it together in my head, maybe put a few pieces together in the hardware store, see how it works out for me. But I want to make an 8-foot awning, driver's side, 8 foot long, which would be just past the windshield and to the hatchback. I want to make it roll up instead of like just kind of squishing it up into a package, because I don't want to make the zipper package like you see on them. I want it to be rolled up on the side of the vehicle, up top, nice clean roll, and then maybe Velcro strap that together for the ride. In my head, it all works out. I think it'll be efficient. I think it'll be clean looking. And then the other thing I want to do is I want to make a shower, and that's gonna be the basic thing most people use for the first time having a shower. I'm gonna do the 4-inch PVC. I'm gonna have it pressurized. I'm gonna use it where I can put well, it's right here. I don't have onboard air, but I have an air compressor. It does the job. I'm not even gonna say the brand of it, but it's an El Cheapo, but it works good. And like, it airs my tires up fairly fast. I don't air my tires up to like 40. I'm running my tires about 35 psi, and when I'm going off road, 18, something like that. But this is not my daily driver. I have another daily driver. I use this for weekends, running around town. I prefer to drive this, honestly. I like it better, but it's not my daily driver. I don't get that great gas mileage. But I'm losing track of mine. Okay, yeah. So thinking maybe passenger side, I want to do the shower, paint it black, probably like Herculine or Rhino line, whatever you want to call it. You'll have the port on top, unscrew it, screw up, the fill back up, fill it up, and so I'll have to be able to get it tight enough where it'll hold air pressure, because I want to put I'm going to put a valve stem either on top of the thing you screw on, or at one of the end caps. I also want to make it where I'm not going to break it off. So, and I prefer to have it on the end cap. Maybe on the end cap where I'll have the spigot for the shower or water attachment. Maybe I'll have it just above that. But like I said, a tire, valve stem, you'll drill a hole, stick it in. Hopefully that'll seal up the way I want it to, the way I envision it. I'm not even sure. I used to work in a hardware store. I'm not even sure what PVC is going for anymore. But I'm probably going to do just one project at a time. I don't know which one I'd like to do first. I was more excited, honestly, about the shower. And then today, I got thinking of the awning. I had a different plan for an awning in my head. It involved a 4-inch piece of PVC as well, an inner rod, and a crank, and just roll back up into the 4-inch PVC. I wish I could draw a little better. I would draw it for you, but I can't draw. So explaining is the best you're going to get. So anywho, I am going to go pick up the little guy from daycare, and he is going to go on the hardware store adventure with me. So saying that, taking the 2-year-old into a hardware store should be a blast. He is something else. But okay, so like I said, well, I'm on the way to get the baby right now, but as I'm driving, I was going to talk a little bit. I want this channel to be more. I wanted to do more. So I take a lot of photos with my camera and my phone. I honestly prefer taking pictures with my camera. For one, it's easier. You pick it up and you take a shot. Your phone, you have to go into the camera settings or the camera app, open the camera, wait for it to load, snap. Anyhow, the videos. I've been on a lot of adventures this year. I take all my video with my phone, by the way. So that being said, kind of from that subject, I was trying to get ahead of myself with that. I wanted it to be a more high production quality type thing. I'm not there yet. So I've got a lot of adventures that I've taken with just me and me with both boys, me with the older boy, Council Bluffs, kayaking trip, what else? Several adventures. So I take my phone, I take a GoPro, I actually have 3 GoPros, so, and a drone. I have a drone, but it takes a GoPro, so kind of same thing. But anyways, I get myself overwhelmed with having footage from all these different cameras, and then I get home and I'm trying to edit, which I'm using just a simple editor, Kine or Keen, whatever you want to call it, K-I-N-E. For me, there may be a better, easier editing app out there for my phone, but that's what I found to have worked for me so far. If you do know something easier, please let me know in the comments. But so far it's working out pretty good. So anyways, my story is, I'll have footage from 3 different cameras, and I need to put it into a storyline. And I'm not there yet. I don't have a laptop either. Maybe if I had a laptop, I could throw all the footage onto it and see it all on a screen. I might be able to throw it all into a storyline and put it all together a little bit better. But that being said, I've got a lot of footage that you're never going to see because I'm not there yet. Maybe once I know how to do all the editing and put all the SD cards together and all those footage together, maybe you'll see some old footage. But for now, I'm going to make more videos, and I'm going to do it as simple as possible with my phone. And I can edit that on an evening sitting on my couch. That's fairly easy. Anyways, I'm here at the daycare. I'm gonna go get him, and then we're gonna go to the old hardware store, the adult toy store. Here, put it on. There it is. There it is. Put it on your head. That's not how that works. Okay. Handsome cowboy. Yes, he is. Look at the mirror. Oh, taking it off. Oh, okay. I don't get to have a hat, I guess. Aw. The local hardware store is also the feed store. I guess he's a goat. Say bah. You're rearing up like a goat though, aren't you? Yeah, I see. Great idea, Dad. Okay, so this is my idea. Use these loops. Put these into a angle iron unistrut that's going to be mounted along my roof rack. And then this, oh, well, you kind of get the idea. That pipe through there. Yeah, he's right there. You did it, dude. And then, so that's 10 foot. I'll cut it down to 8. And then the tarp, I will wrap around this and then use one end of it to crank it up. So I'll use it like a 8x8, 8x10 tarp. I don't know if I'm explaining this idea very good or not, but that's kind of what I'm thinking at this point. It's more expensive than I thought though. So it'll end up being, if I do it this way, oh crap, sorry. It'll end up being over $100. So I don't know if that's going to be a good bargain to do that way or not. I like the DIY part of it, do it yourself, but I was doing it myself to save money, and it doesn't look like I'm going to save a whole lot of money. So we shall see. Here, I'll get it down. There. You happy now? Keegan, look at me.
Whoa!
I don't know.
Dad!
What, baby?
Dad!
What?
Dad!
What? Show me. Show me.
Whoa!
You like the cat toys, huh? Now I'm looking at PVC prices. This is going to be more expensive than I thought, too. It's going to be $10 just for the end cap, and I need 2 of those. That's 20 bucks. Then I need one of these. There's no price there. That one's 10 bucks. 30. I need one of those. For some reason that's cheaper. And then just a 2-foot section of that is $11.99. So this is gonna be, oh, he's getting it.
Ew.
This is more expensive than I want it to be. Maybe I can get a hold of some of my old plumbing buddies or look on Craigslist or Marketplace for some scrap pieces. Alright, so I was in the hardware store, which is Orscheln's. I was in there for about an hour, and this is the only thing I got accomplished. But I am happy with that. It was this is the new one, and obviously I didn't use Teflon tape, I used black tape, and it didn't even seal all the way, but it is sealed, completely sealed. Like if I let the air compressor run with this on, it goes up to 110 psi, so it is holding. But let's show you this real quick. Right here, I went from this, which was a screw-on one, which, you know, that's a pain in the ass. Who wants to do that? Cut that off, put that on, and so yeah, there's that. So as far as the other stuff goes, man, it's gonna be way more expensive than I thought. I want a piece of angle iron. I'm not really concerned about weight. A lot of people want to go, you know, oh, it needs to be lightweight. Yeah, you look great and all, you know, in the overall scheme of things. But that's not my, I'm all twisted up here. That's not my goal. There it is. I mean, like I said, light is, is great and all, but I mean, if I'm going to be adding water to my roof rack, obviously I'm not too worried about weight. From what I hear, about 8 foot is about 5 gallons of water, and that'd be great. Pressurized, if you get muddy in the trails, you spray the windshield off, even if you need to be. Obviously, that's what I'm wanting it for a shower. But it looks like that's going to be about $100 too. I just felt like I could do it cheaper. Maybe 20 years ago when I was working at a hardware store, I could have done it cheaper. As far as the awning goes, I'm going to go to Harbor Freight too. I want to see what they have to offer. I wanted to do 8 foot along the rig, and then I'd like to do 8 foot out too. That'd be ideal. But I found a tarp's fine, a plastic tarp's fine. I can do that, but I would prefer to do the canvas tarp. A little more durable, a little thicker. It is a little heavier, but again, like I said, I'm not worried about weight. But I think it would hold up longer in the long run. The tarp is a 6x8, so in the angle iron I could get the angle iron was 6 foot as well. Anyhow, I'm gonna have to figure some stuff out. I will get back to you on that. But for that, this is it, and that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I know this video is junk, but it would mean so much. I'm going to try to do more projects. This right here is this was an Amazon find. I can just see it in the back of the camera, but that's actually a pretty cool mount. Way too close to my head. I wish I would have thought that through more. Anyways, I'll let you know on the awning and the water supply thing what I find. I'm going to search the old Craigslist, and I got a few plumber friends, see if I can hit them up and find something. I got an iron worker friend even. Maybe he has some piece of iron laying around I can find. Get that for free. Anyways, check me out. Do More Adventures on the Instagram. That's where all my pictures are at. Do More Adventures here on the YouTube. Please comment if you have any ideas of your own DIY. And I'll see you next time.